Assalamu alaikum students. From Dean Cambridge School System, I am Hadi Jilani. Today we are going to learn English and it's our lecture number 12. And in this lecture we will learn J. We will learn J. It's the capital form of J and it's the small form of J. And the phonic sound of J is J. The phonic sound of J is J, as in jam. As in jam. Okay students, we use jam with the bread in our breakfast. Yeah students? Yeah, we used to eat bread with the jam in our breakfast. J for jam. J for jam. Look at there students. It's a joker. It's a joker. J for joker. In this picture, it's a glass of juice. It's a juice. J for juice. Okay students? J for juice. It's an orange juice. Orange juice. Okay students? In this picture, it's a jackal. It's a jackal. J for jackal. And you know, the jackal lives in the forest. Okay students? Jackal lives in the forest. Okay, you have to practice J, the capital form and the small form of J on the notebook. Okay? Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.